Happy Valentine's Day!
Hi guys! Lalabay na naman si Adriel. Where are we going? We're going Laboy to the far away. See you later! Pero before we go, magda-drive-thru muna kami ng machichicha sa car. Kasi magugutom ang baby boy.
Six-pack.
Kami sa White Castle.
Welcome to White Castle. You can go ahead whenever you're ready.
Yan, ito na yung order namin. Nag-drive-thru lang kami kasi aalis kami. Ito ang laman ng aming order. White Castle. White Castle. Yummers. Yan, mga sandwiches, sliders. Ito ang mac and cheese bites ni Adriel. Kaiba yun. Tsaka cheese stick and fries no salt. O, kain na. Kain na ang baby.
Not a baby!
Not a baby. Ito kay daddy. It's yours. Enjoy. Happy eating. Enjoy. Happy eating. Food trip in the car. Mac and cheese bites. Yummy. Favorite na idol lang mac and cheese. Patingin. Mac and cheese. Bagong luto. Sarap na sarap. Mukbang si Adriel. Mukbang. Anong tawag dyan?
Mac and cheese bites.
Cheese bites. Mukbang. Mukbang ang baby. Mukbang ang bata, batuta.
Cheese sticks. Just kidding.
Alright, happy eating. Kahit nag-snow, eto, lalaboy, si Adriel.
In the Bible, what is going to fall on the earth in the Bible?
Teka.
Nalalamig na.
Okay, go. It's snowing. It's snowing. Snowing. Oh, nasakay tayo?
Tingnan dito, oh. Tatalon ka. Patalon.
Whoa! Adriel, where are we going now? I didn't know this place.
Huh?
What do you want? Nakikita nyo ba ang nakikita ni Adriel? Ayan na. Woo! Ayan na. Nakikita nyo ba nakikita ni Adriel? Ayan na. Ayan na. Lego. May line. So, call in line. Siyempre, kailangan pumila. Pipila muna kami. Pupuntang Lego. Pipila. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Vision ni Adriel. Patiently waiting in line. Lego.
How many?
Saan?
Ito ay yung...
Hindi niya malaman ko.
Ito.
Meron na si Adriel natin.
That is 10 plus.
Ayun nga,
It's okay.
Yan, eh.
I'm gonna help you.
Ito, maganda oh. Submarine. Ano yung pinili?
Ito,
It's the
Eh,
same.
balik mo na yan.
ito na lang. Yan na lang.
It's the same.
Yan, yan na lang. Yan
Oh,
dito.
pinagpipilian ni Adriel. Ito,
Yan,
ito, o
Okay.
ito.
Ano no?
Ayun daw napili.
Sounds good. All right, found a winner.
Oh, ayan o. Kunin mo. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Bisyo. Bisyo ni Adriel. Nakabisyo na naman.
Adriel, parang kang may bisyong motor ah. Dahil mo pa sa dati ah.
Naka 2.5 na naman to si Adriel. 2.5 ang halaga nun.
Magastos ka pa sa bisyo ko ah.
Building that. Come on in.
Adriel, ang bisyo mo ang mahal. Ready? Ready? Okay. Ano yung titirahin? Yan, tirahin mo yan.
Tama nga.
the vegan chocolate though? Yeah, just the one.
Blaze. Blaze tayo first. Adriel. Blaze tayo Adriel. Okay, follow film naman tayo. What? Si Adriel naka-pizza mo. Lapit ka rito. Si Daddy naka ano. Ano ba yan? Lamb. Ito soup. You want soup?
You want soup? Not daw eh.
Yeah, wait, hold on. I'll come back. Yan. Sarap yun. Bang! Okay lang yan. Ah. Sarap. Sarap. Bumukbang kami ng Adriel. Busog. Busog na. Busog na kami. Ito na yung pinagkainan. Basura.
Ayun mo yan.
Wow! Ano nakalagay? Crowned by you.
Some burger cake.
Put mo na. Let me see. Tingin. Smile. Smile. Nine tao ngayon, oh. Nakataranta doon nito side. Gelato. Gelato. Amorino gelato.
Video mo ako.
Ben and Jerry. Ice cream. Woohoo! Yan ang mga gusto ni Adriel.
Ano yun sa Las Vegas?
Adriel.
You ate that when we were at Las Vegas.
Remember when we went to Las Vegas?
You don't remember that anymore?
Ito, laki ah. Lollipop. Candy. Dali, look. Pakita mo to. Dami. Parang sila lang ang tao sa mundo. Kailan ba ang tao sa Earth? Kapit ka na kay Daddy. Sale. May bata. Sale. Wait, don't do that. Sale. Sale daw, sale. Sale. Napagod. Ay, tired. Malamig. Wala.